It's LaDonna with the Painted Ivy. Today we're going to be working on a sign for our home that says, "The mountains are calling and I must go." You guys, I've been looking at this. I love the design of the mountains. I love how the detail of the transfer is. Look how detailed this is. Now I'm putting it on a chalkboard. So what we're going to do is, this is going to be a real quick project. We're going to do it in all white. So let me set up my comments and we'll get started. When you log in, let me know you're here. Say hello. Let me set up my comments and we'll get started. Hi Shirley, how are you? Change my glasses, guys. Hi Pat. Welcome, welcome. You guys, this is going to be a really easy project today, and it's going to be really fast. Sometimes when you're doing crafts, it doesn't have to take hours to do. And so this is really nice because sometimes it takes a lot longer to do a craft here, mostly because I keep showing how to do the craft. And to be honest with you, sometimes doing that and kind of teaching every little step along the way doesn't take the fun out of it, but it takes longer than what it actually should take to actually do the craft. So let me show you how simple this is to do this design. I'm going to fuzz over here on my little block. So today is Tuesday, Election Day. I'm in Bentonville, Arkansas, and we have had a day today that's been approximately in the low to mid 50s most of the day, but it's been kind of nice. Not necessarily rainy outside, but it's just been kind of overcast, I guess you'd call it. I'm just fuzzing really well. Guys, the important thing to note is where the hanger is on the back of the picture. So when I started this, I thought it was on the other end. I had to check. It's down here. If you're watching this and you see the red light in the corner, you know that you are catching it live. Otherwise, you're watching the replay. Let's just fuzz this a little bit more. I think I'm going to need a new towel for fuzzing. I may have lifted all the fuzz off. Okay, right there. You guys, I have to lay this straighter. It's going to drive me crazy. I can't have it folding down to one side. And that's what it does. The wind catches it. Okay, we'll just do it that way. That works just as well. I have been chalking most of the day today because I have 14 orders of the same thing to get out. And I've been working like a little chalker bee today, trying to get that done. So it's been a busy day for me. I've been chalking and varnishing and chalking and varnishing. I try to varnish as I go so I don't have so much to do when I'm done. And I could just pop things in the box and put them in the mail. I want you guys to get your stuff as quickly as possible. Okay, I'm just using this squeegee to get the air out, and then we're going to work it down. I would appreciate it if you're watching this, if you would share my video, and that way other people will see the crafts that I'm doing. Okay. You guys, this is like such a cool transfer. And I have all the air out. I think I'm also going to ink this on a shirt. I think that would be really cool. Now, this is what I've done. How cool is that? Hi, Teresa. Welcome, welcome. I'm going to turn it sideways here. And like I said, it's a really quick craft. So, you know, I keep forgetting, to be honest with you, that my camera is on this side of my phone. So when I do something and I move it, I'm trying to center it on my screen. That just doesn't work. So I kind of need to remember where my camera is. I'm doing this in all white because I think it's going to pop on this background. And because I'm only using one color, it's not going to take very long either. And it also doesn't take a lot of paste. So I'm just going to dribble some paste down here. And I think we'll probably get it done quicker than I think. Okay. Using the squeegee. You guys, look how quick and easy that is. There's very little waste when you use your large squeegee like this on a huge project. We should have timed this so we know exactly how long it takes to make a sign with a squeegee. Need a little more paste. That's all right. Because it just means I'll have very little waste. Check that out, guys. Oh my goodness. This is why I love this craft. Now, if I had 14 of these to do in one day, I would be done in, you know, no time. Let's peel it up. And we always want to peel top to bottom or side to side. So let me turn this so I can push against it. You guys, that is super, super cool. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is that? Let me hold it up and show you. I need to, I've got to clean up the bottom. 1 second. I'm so excited. It worked so perfect. Not that I was surprised, but oh my goodness, I love that large squeegee. Check it out. Look at that. How cool is that? Beautiful, beautiful. Look at the detail. I love this sign. You guys, that's it for our project today. And I didn't know it would be this fast. But listen, if you guys want to learn how to do awesome home decor like this really quick, the holiday seasons are coming up. Took less than 5 minutes. Hi, Bev. Less than 5 minutes to chalk it up. So the holiday seasons are coming up. If you guys want to learn how to make awesome home decor or get some PDF tips from me throughout the week, tomorrow I will be sending out my new weekly PDF tip. Drop PDF in the comments. I'll make sure you have it. And you guys, thank you so much for visiting today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Y'all have a good day. Bye.